Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This is Aisha Jamila Kadabangu. I'm the Shabby and Shaz Creations, and welcome to Shaz Creations. I'm so happy to have you be part of our family. When you buy our products and use our products, you'll become part of our families. So we are so happy to have you on board. Now let's get right to business. You have decided to buy the Acne Package Plus, which means you've added a cream right here. It could be this cream, it could be another cream, but you've added a skin moisturizer to your package apart from the cream that comes with the Acne package. So now you end up with 3 soaps, as you can see them up top here. Okay, so you end up with 3 soaps, and I'm praying that you will go to the website or call me and buy the Warm Waters Victorian if you didn't get it in your package. The Warm Waters Victorian is a brown soap. That's a detox soap, exfoliating soap. It will help shrink your pores. It will help bring the swelling down and gets rid of some of that inflammation from the acne. Now, this is a package that will really enhance your skin over time, so you want to be able to do this diligently twice a day. You're going to use any of the soap in rotation. If you got the Warm Waters Victorian, that's the first soap you got to use. You're going to use your soap 4 to 5 days, and if you haven't watched the video on YouTube how to take a bath or shower, you need to do that. Please do. It will help make the process a lot much better for you. So you're going to use any of the soaps for 3 to 10 days, for 4 to 10 days. So here we go: 1 soap, 2 soap, 3 soap. If you have the Warm Waters, that's the first soap you're going to use, of course. After you get out of the shower, you want to make sure you dry your skin after you've watched the video on how to take a bath, right? So you want to make sure you dry your skin, and you're going to use one of these 2 serums after you dry your skin. So 1 serum for daytime, 1 for nighttime. It doesn't matter which one. Once you both of them get to touch your skin and do so, they can do the job that it needs to do. Now you're going to use 2 to 3 drops, neckline up. Yeah, right here. When I say neckline, it's not up here, down here, your breast line up, and your face, your neck, back on your neck. Don't forget that. After you apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum, you're going to let the serum dry, and you may or may not get this cream in your package, because you might have ended up with a better cream than this cream that I'm going to show you right here. This is a $99 cream. This is a much more the other cream you might get is more expensive than this, so we're going to pull this cream out because you really don't need it, because the cream you're going to get, or the lotion you're going to get, is going to be able to take care of your skin, moisturize it, tone your skin, beautify your skin over time. Our products work over time, so you got to be dedicated to the cause, and you got to be dedicated to your routine. Now, after you are finished with this first package, you can always reach out back on our website and buy the package. We're also on Amazon. We're also Walmart.com, or you can call me. Our phone numbers are listed right up here on the website. I also encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We upload almost maybe a couple of times a week, sometimes more, so you can get a notification when we upload, so you can stay with us, and we can all educate ourselves on skincare and what we do here at Shaz Creation to enhance our skin, to make our skin beautiful, and to just look our best. From the depth of my soul, I thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow us to our social media sites, and do not forget that we are here for you, and I'm here always to answer your questions. From the depth of my soul, I thank you all for watching. This is Aisha Javida Kara, the Shabby and Shaz Creations. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.